Hello friends, my name is Priyanka Priyadarshini and I enrolled for 2-year integrated classroom program. I secured
8,825
in NEET UG 2020. I'm extremely happy today for success and all credit goes to Almighty God, my parents and Akash Institute. Classroom sessions are very interactive and competitive. Faculties are very much friendly and helping us to solve all our doubts and provide crystal clear concepts. Study package of Akash Institute helps in both board examination and entrance examination. These packages are based on NCERT text along with additional contents such as Knowledge Cloud, Try Yourself, etc. These are very good for cracking medical entrance examinations. Study packages such as Akash Explorer, Question Bank, NCERT based and Assertion Reason packages which provide best concepts and practice to crack NEET. Regular tests such as fortnightly, term test, AIATS, etc. provide exam-like pattern and conditions. In AITS examination, All India Test Series, thousands of students participate including Akashians and non-Akashians, which provide all India ranking, help in knowing our strength and weakness pattern of Akash exam is exactly same as NEET. AIATS helps in removing our fear regarding actual exam of NEET. Most of our doubts are properly cleared in classroom sessions. In doubt sessions, faculties welcome our weak topics, additional doubts of reference book including study package and NCERT books. These doubt sessions are very healthy because we get one-to-one attention on all our weak points by faculty members. iTutor is the best platform provided only by Akash Institute in the country, which helps to make us learn and prepare all classroom lectures which we could not attend due to factors like illness or any other disturbances. iTutors includes recorded lectures by best faculty member of Akash, provide actual classroom teaching environment. Library at Akash is well maintained and enriched by foreign author books along with best Indian author books which may be required for preparation along with study package. Throughout 2-year program, additional expense on books are not required. I would like to thank my parents, faculties and at Akash and infrastructure provided at Akash which helped in securing
8,825
rank. Since last 2 years, all faculties at Akash helped me making my journey to
8,825
possible. Therefore, I suggest all medical aspirants to come and experience the success at Akash because it is best platform to crack all types of medical entrance exams. Respected Chairman Sir at Akash motivated and inspired me every now and then through his personal interaction and motivational speeches which are oriented toward cultural values along with providing respects to our parents and elders. This is unique feature at Akash Institute.
नमस्कार, मैं प्रभा पंडित, मेरी बेटी प्रियंका प्रियदर्शनी आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट में 2018 से 2020 तक का कोर्स ली हुई है पढ़ाई की और यहाँ के टीचर्स और एकेडमिक बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है और यहाँ हमारी बच्ची का रिजल्ट अच्छा होने के कारण पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग भी होते हैं, उसमें जो भी डाउट्स होते हैं उसे क्लियर किया जाता है। यहाँ के एकेडमिक और टीचर बहुत हेल्पफुल है। मैं अपनी बच्ची की रिज़ल्ट से बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं चाहूँगी बोकारो आकाश में आके और भी पेरेंट्स आएँ और अपने बच्चे का भविष्य संवारें। नमस्कार।